In this JumpTask review, I'm going to be showing you a platform in which you can earn cryptocurrency by filling out surveys, games, and completing tasks. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if JumpTask is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software, and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that is personally helping me to go from 0 to 5,000 to $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. It's an absolutely free guide and you don't have to pay money or anything. It's absolutely free. So let's jump into JumpTask. So what JumpTask does is that, so this platform basically have this JumpTask token in which you can get paid. So you'll be paid via these JumpTask tokens after you guys complete the game, surveys, and all these tasks. So JumpTask is basically a GPT style website. So GPT style website means get paid to do tasks, surveys, and all that stuff. So most GPT style website, what they do is they claim that you can be making hundreds of dollars per day. But apparently JumpTask doesn't give you these high hopes. When it comes to making money, they are claiming that you can be making about $100 per month. So that alone itself is a lot of money when it comes to a GPT style website, because you are going to be having to spend at least 8 hours a day every single day in order to make $100 per month. So that's how hard it is to be making money with this GPT style website like JumpTask. But overall, this is an excellent website. You can definitely make money using this website. So they are claiming that, so they're telling you guys that how you can use JumpTask. So first you have to sign up. You have to register your crypto wallet and your social accounts. You have to complete a task and you can get paid. So that's it. So these are like some of the ways that you can make money. So you can be doing these surveys. So again, I want to tell you guys that you can make the most money using survey. They pay about 10 cents to 50 cents per survey, but the survey is going to be usually taking about 10 minutes to up to 1 hour. It depends on the survey. But this is where you can make most of your money. But the problem with these surveys is that you can be only getting 1 or 2 surveys per day. So that's kind of a downfall when you do surveys. In sometimes you won't be even getting any surveys. So that's a problem. You can also make money by playing games. You can make money by watching ads. You can share your internet with people using this honey gain. You can only make a tiny weeny bit of money if you're doing this. Probably you are going to be making a few cents or a couple of dollars per month if you're using this. It's not a reliable way, I would say, and you can also make money by doing social media tasks. So that's it for the interface. Let me show you what you can find inside of JumpTask. So this is the interface of JumpTask. So as you can see, it has got a beautiful interface, and you can see some of the tasks. So you have some of the social media tasks. So if you join stable Discord, you are going to be getting 0.03031 JumpTask token, which is about 3 cents. So that's pretty low. You would have to be doing this every single, you have to be doing almost hundreds of tasks every single day if you need to get to $1. So it's kind of hard. And you can join the official Etherpad and you can get 1 cent. You can follow Vivo Labs and you can get 1 cent. You can watch and earn as well. So you get 3 cents, 2 cents, 2 cents, 1 cent. Then you have some quick task in which you can get up to 28 cents. So that's kind of good. And you can join the e-money network and you can get 20 cents. Then you have to try out this CVEX testnet and you can get 12 cents and so on. You can have a look. I haven't done any of the tasks, so I can't access the survey, but surveys pay out the most. and you can get all the tasks if you scroll till here. So as you can see, if you register to Binance and if you make your first trade, you get a JumpTask reward, and you can get up to 7 tokens of this JumpTask, which equates to about $7. So that's an absolutely great offer. So if you haven't done Binance till now, you can probably download from JumpTask and you can claim the reward. And if you look at earn you have to use the redemption code on earn and reveal the mystery box. So that's kind of some work you have to do, and you can get paid $2. And you have this rush game. I guess you have to just register. If you're a new user, you can get up to 35 cents. So that's great. So again, let's look at something else. Maybe this one. You can earn cash for viewing videos. So by just viewing videos, you can make money, and you can get up to 2 cents and so on. So the money you're going to be getting is actually quite low, and the maximum you can be making with a GPT style website like this is about $20, $30, or up to $50. And if you like grind almost 8 hours a day on a website like this, you can be making about $100 or more, a bit more. That's it. That's all you can be making from a GPT style website like this. And also this is where you can like stake your coins. So if you go there, you can do the stake. So what you will have to do is you have to get the JumpTask token either by buying it from JumpTask, or you have to play and earn it, and you can stake it. Maybe you have to stake 492 tokens have been staked already here. So maybe you can put 1,000 tokens here, and you can get about 20% APR. Then you can get 24% APR if you deposit here. Then okay, remember guys, it's for up to 6 months. So there is quite a lot of risk in it. But if you really believe in JumpTask and their business model, you can go ahead and invest. Then you have 20% APR, 12% APR, 14% APR, 16% APR, 6%, 2.1%, 4.1%, and so on. So based on your risk capability, I would suggest if you want to go for staking, you can stake it. All you have to do is add a wallet. Here you can add your MetaMask wallet, which is this one right over here, or you can add your Trust wallet, and then you can basically add you can stake. So that's it. And you also have Honeygrain. So in this, you will basically share your internet with other people. And again guys, you can't be making a lot of money using Honeygrain, sharing your internet, because they only pay a tiny bit of money. You will be probably making a few cents or few dollars per month. So that's another way you can make money. Then you have these referrals, so you can refer people and also get money. And that's basically it for all the earning methods you can be doing. Overall, I think JumpTask is an excellent GPT style website. It is a legitimate website, but the money you can be making is not a lot of money. You can only be making $20, $30, $40, $50, or maybe $100 if you're like really grinding on this JumpTask website. And when it comes to the payment, they don't have any threshold. You can just add your crypto wallet and you can get paid immediately. So most GPT style website, they need a threshold like $1, $2, or $5, even up to $10. But apparently JumpTask doesn't have any threshold. As soon as you make money, you can withdraw it. So that's kind of like a plus point. Overall, I think JumpTask is a excellent for a GPT style website. But if you're like really serious about making money, making it a full-time income or something like that, I really don't think JumpTask can help you with that. But in case if you're looking for something like that, I would like to recommend you my number one recommended strategy that is personally helping me to go from $0 to $5,000 to $10,000 per month. It's an absolutely free guide. If you guys want to check out this free guide, make sure you click the first link in the description. So that's basically it for this review of JumpTask. If you want to check it out, you guys can check it out. And now let's see on another review video. Thank you.